Today I'm doing a video for two CT Sound Stratos 8's, a custom ported box that I built. It's tuned to 34.5. Gonna do a test tune meter and then just a little flex video. Hooked up to a C.A.B.1600.1, excess battery, North Star under the hood. We're running 1 ohm, and we're got the gain set pretty low. Using a 48 hertz test tone, DJ Rusticles thumb drive. Got the meter in the kick panel outlaw style. Let's see what it'll do here. It's 135.2. There's no bass boost. The knobs in the middle. That's pretty good for a couple of 8's in a nice small ported box.